In this video I will show you the most important functions here in neuroflash so that you can start easily with your AI text creation. In the home section you see the different tools we offer you. With Content Flash you will create text content, Image Flash will make incredible images for you, and Performance Flash and Research Flash are tools for the analysis of your content. If you're starting with the AI text creation and you know exactly what you want the AI to write for you, for example, you want texts about your product, about your business, about your brand, so I like to invite you to start in the Brand Hub, which you find here. In the Brand Hub, you have two very important options to make your AI content much more individual and precise. The first one is the brand voice. Click on plus brand voice and create a brand voice that will make the AI content sound more like you. You have different possibilities to create this brand voice. The other important section is the information section. Here you can upload or create informations that are important for your texts. For example, what is your brand about? What are the important informations about your product? Which keywords do you want the AI to integrate into your texts? So create these informations and later you can activate them if they are needed. So let's take a look into Content Flash. You find it here behind that blue magic feather, and the most easy way to create texts with AI is just to click on that new button. This is our text editor where you have a lot of possibilities, but let's start with the text types. Here you can create AI texts without knowing anything about prompting. Just click on the text type, for example blog. So maybe you want to start a blog post and first you need blog title ideas. You see on the right side is the Content Flash, on the left side is your blank text editor. To create blog title ideas you have to put in a topic and a keyword, and here under the more options you find the possibility to activate your brand voice and to add your information you have created before. Choose a tone of voice and also the number of suggestions the AI should create for you. Just click on create and let the AI do the work for you. Here we have our 6 suggestions for blog title ideas, and we made an automatic analysis about the emotional score and the readability score, so it's easier for you to choose the right one. If you don't like that blog titles, just click on refresh and let the AI make new suggestions. Whenever you see something on the right side and you click once on it, you have that here in your text editor and it is automatically saved in your profile. And this also means that you only keep those AI suggestions that you want to keep, and you don't have to search through a lot of chat conversations to find your gold nuggets in the AI content. Okay, now we have a title, but we need more to get a complete blog post. So just click again on text type library, choose the blog, and maybe now you want to have the blog post outline. You see your topic is saved. Choose a number of suggestions you want to get. Just click on create and again let the AI do the work for you. Again you see the emotionality score and the readability score. You choose one of these outlines, just click once on it and you have it here in your text editor. This is more than a text editor, it has the power of AI. Just click on the text, then on AI, and you can give neuroflash a prompt here in that space, or you can choose one of the actions that are available. For example, expand this text. And so you can create your own text step by step in the text editor. Keep that document open and just go into this section where you, for example, can click onto images. Tell the AI what your image should be about, and if you don't know a lot about text to image prompts, just click on Optimize Prompt and let the AI generate a picture for you. With pictures, it is exactly the same as with text. Just make one click and you have it in your text editor, and now it is saved in your profile. But where can you see your saved documents? Just click into the Content Flash and you see your recent documents. You can define text to organize them, you can rename or you can delete them. When you click on one of the texts, you are directly into the document and you can work on. You can also share this with your team so that other members of your team can also work in the document. What about prompting? Where can you do that? Here in neuroflash. And this is very easy. You find that option here in the chat section. You have a chat space exactly like in GPT. You can also activate a brand voice or activate your informations. You want to make an Instagram post out of the text the AI had written for you. So just copy it, tell the AI, please create an Instagram post out of this text, put in the text and let the AI do the work. I hope you are inspired to start with neuroflash and to create your content with AI.